Hello all of you. Today's session is on domain name strategies, and Top 5 Live welcomes you to the session on SEO on domain name strategies. Today we will be learning on how a domain name has an impact on the search engine optimization. How do we select our domain names in order to rank higher in the search engines? And most importantly, what exactly is a domain name and how its implications have severe consequences on search engine optimizations. Does it really have any effect? If yes, what are those? So we will be learning all these things in detail in today's session. Now, when we start a new website, one of the first and most important decisions that we need to make is choosing the domain name. That is, what is the domain, what will be the domain name of our website. And the choice will impact the website's success in nearly every area, including search engine optimization, that is, including SEO and including social media marketing as well, SMM also. So, selecting the domain name is the first process and it has a huge implication on the success of the entire website and the business on the whole. But what exactly is a domain name? We are saying that choosing a domain name is important for a website. But do we really know what is a domain name? Yes, many of us may be knowing what is the definition of a domain name, but still I will be covering it here. The domain name is one of the pieces inside of a URL. It is also the most easily recognized part of the entire address. Okay, so it is one of those pieces inside the URL which you can say identifies your website. Domain names functions on the internet in a manner which is similar to the physical address in the physical world. Like it is a domain name is the physical address of a particular website over the internet, over the World Wide Web. In other words, we can say that domain names can be defined as that particular address of the website in the genre of the World Wide Web. And each part of the domain name provides specific information. These pieces of information enable web browsers to locate the web page exactly. Now the nomenclature or the naming system is closely regulated. Why? To prevent confusion or to prevent duplication of addresses. So thus, selecting a domain name is extremely important. That is, in order to locate the website. Thus, your domain name is the physical address of your website, and you must choose your domain name in such a way that you can identify, that the search engines can identify your website right at one go. As you can see in the slide, top5live.com. This is the domain name of this website. So whenever you will search for top5live.com in any of the search engines, you will be taken to this website directly. So the top5live.com is the domain name of the website, the physical address of this website or of this blog. Now we will move